Hey everybody, welcome back to Villains and Vice. I'm Beth, and today I have something a little different for you. It's a Spartina 449 unboxing. If you don't know what Spartina is, it's a company that was founded in 2009 and originated in South Carolina. It was created by a woman named Kay Stanley who lived on Defusky Island, which is about I think it said a nautical mile south of Hilton Head. And her goal was to blend like linen and leather with vibrant island-inspired patterns and fabrics. So very beachy, almost Lily Pulitzer-esque, but not quite. I love their stuff. You may have seen their greetings from line. They're essentially like bags with maps of the area. So they have Hilton Head, there's Myrtle Beach, there's Charleston, there's the Hawaiian Islands, they have Virginia, they have Florida, and I'm pretty sure the boathouse at Disney Springs carries the Florida Spartina line. So it's in like the back corner, I think. But anyway, they just had a major warehouse sale, and I went a little crazy. I love a deal, I love a sale, and this was the time. I got a bunch of stuff, so I can't wait to show you guys what I got. One of my toxic traits is that I love bags, not necessarily purses, although I do have a fair amount of purses, but I love like beach bags, cooler bags, that kind of stuff, cosmetic bags. So I got, I don't know, like 3 or 4 bags. And I cannot wait to see them. So it was packed very tightly. You could barely close the lid. So high, but I can't wait to see all the goodies that are in here. Start with this guy on the top. They're so pretty. So this first one is almost like denim fabric. It's so cute. It's huge, and it has, look, these cute seahorses on it. And the leather handles. So nice. And one of the things I really love are these adorable tassels on the front. Look how cute that like totally makes the bag. Very spacious. It has both a zip pocket and this one to slide like your keys or your phone into. So cute. I love it. And I wear a lot of blue, a lot of white, so this would be great for all summer. That's the first one. Oh, I know what this one is. So this this is a wine carrier. Like a little caddy. And look how cute. So it has like a little boat scene on it. There's their mermaid emblem again. There's a story behind the mermaid. Our mermaid is inspired by the tales of sailors who, after nights of indulging in island spirits, gazed into the moonlight ocean and were convinced they saw mermaids swimming nearby. So that's her. But look how cute it is. And it's really sturdy on the bottom, so it'll stand up. It has like it's all canvas. But this has like a coating on it, so it'll wipe right off. There's a spot for 2 bottles, but it also slides to the side, so in case you have like a Magnum or a bigger bottle. also fits. So super cute. I had to have it. It's like a reddish orange, so when I was looking at it, it's kind of looked UVA-ish to me, so I had to have it. And again, navy. I love navy. Okay, I didn't know where to go next. This. It was 4 bags. So this bag is less toty and more pursy. It's beautiful. Alright, so this one is a very pretty orange and pink. Isn't that such a pretty pattern? And again, it has material you can just wipe stuff off, which I really like. I'm messy and spill things. Beautiful light leather handles and tassels, which are so cute. And it has this really adorable striped lining inside. This one zips completely, and it has the 2 pockets and then also the zip pocket on the other side. So cute. Oh, and here's your little mermaid down there. All right, there's 3. And this is like a big beach bag. Again, with the coated fabric, so you're not going to get sand stuck on here, and you can just wipe everything off. But this is like lemony and passion fruit. It was like so cute. Yeah, it's weather resistant, it's stain resistant. But look how cute the pattern is on this. And there's an outside pocket for stuff. This really cool fringe along the top, which I love. Nice big handles. And then tons and tons of room for, you know, your towels and your sunscreen. So super cute, and it's so pretty. It's so pretty. Sorry, Mike, if I don't like that. And then this is like a caftan cover-up, if I'm remembering correctly. How pretty is this? Stand up and show you guys. It's all the, you know, fringe around the sleeves, and very light and breezy, and it's pineapples on it. So cute. So cute. Let me tell you what I paid for each of these things. They had, like I said, a big sale. The pink lemonade beach tote, which is this one, was $45. The Fiesta tote, Hamilton Seaforth, which is this one, was $65. Now the beach cover-up was $70. It was a splurge for me. And the Island tote Palmetto Frond, which is this cutie, was $65. And the double wine caddy Seascape was $20. For a grand total of $265. But for $265, I got 3 bags, this adorable wine caddy, and this, which is gorgeous. The quality is so nice. So I'll definitely be ordering many more things from them in the future, I am sure. So I know this is a little leap from the ordinary, but thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. Let me know what you think of my haul, what your favorite piece was. Let me know if you've ordered stuff from Spartina before. And I will see you next time.